digital revolution has hit education, with more and more classrooms plugged into the whole wired world. Educators now need to know about educational technologies and be able to make informed decisions about which technologies are quality resources that will foster meaningful learning. Currently, there is an extensive market for online mathematics resources which span the good, the bad and the ugly. Two such resources are IXL Maths and Mathseeds. Reflecting on Jonason's aspect of meaningful learning and the TPAC framework, the following clip aims to determine which of these two programs would be most effective in supporting kindergarteners in learning simple addition from 0 to 10. In regards to active learning, IXL Maths offers hardly any interactivity. The student moves the computer mouse and clicks or types answers as they work through a long series of maths questions. The program generates feedback using pop-up screens. If a student misses a problem, a pop-up screen gives the correct answer and displays an explanation. The student can then resume answering more questions. There are no animations, the graphics are very simple, and the only audio is the American voice recording that can be selected to read the question out loud. In contrast, Mathseeds is much more interactive. Each child creates their own avatar which they use to navigate the program. Students still interact with the program using the computer mouse to select answers and to drag and drop items, but the lessons and activities are brought to life with vibrant animations, cute characters, catchy songs and playful sound effects. As mentioned before, IXL Maths provides ongoing feedback using pop-up screens, so students are receiving immediate feedback on their work. To master a skill, students have to work towards attaining 100 points. They are able to track how many questions they have answered and their usage. As students reach certain learning milestones, they are rewarded with prizes such as virtual game board pieces, medals, and printout certificates. Using Mathseeds, students are rewarded with golden acorns on the completion of every lesson and activity. Golden acorn rewards can be used to add items to the student's online treehouse or personal avatar. At the end of 5 lessons, students are rewarded with a cute e-pet that hatches from an acorn and becomes part of their online collection. Students can view a simple dashboard that indicates their progress as they move through the program. In terms of authenticity, IXL Maths is made somewhat relevant to real life through using maths questions that are based around real-life scenarios and using pictures of everyday objects. Mathseeds, on the other hand, is entirely creative, with imaginary worlds, talking animals, dragons, and friendly monsters. Both IXL Maths and Mathseeds are mainly for independent learning. IXL Maths could possibly be used for paired group work, but this would have to be supervised to ensure that both students were participating equally and taking turns. Mathseeds is purely for independent learning, as each student has their own personal avatar and the content is aimed at the student's own level of learning, which is determined by a quiz at the start of the program. On a positive note, IXL Maths covers an impressive range of content, making it easy to integrate this technology into any classroom maths lesson. The program offers good feedback and learning, but the questions are too numerous and repetitive. On closer inspection, IXL Maths proves to be pretty much drill and practice in format and approach. Pedagogically, drilling is only appropriate for short time periods using a small amount of questions, which is not evident here. Using this technology in the classroom would not enhance learning. The same learning could be achieved through answering questions from a textbook. In contrast, Mathseeds would enhance student learning as this program makes content more accessible and interesting for students. This technology supports effective pedagogy as the program is highly interactive and motivating and has been designed in such a way that takes into account how young children learn. This program promotes the development of higher order thinking skills through active problem solving and offers more variety and opportunities for developing conceptual understanding. In determining which program would best enhance the learning of simple addition for kindergarten students, Mathseeds proves to be the superior educational program.